Hi there. I'm going to walk you through it. A couple of people are still having a little trouble. Maybe there's just too many words on the page. I'm not sure. I thought I gave you a lot of detailed instructions about how to do this, but there's still a couple people lagging behind. It is 11:18 p.m., so we have, 37 minutes to get that extra credit. So here's what it looks like, sort of. You go to the Proctorio extra credit. This is kind of an instructor view, but this is pretty much what it looks like. If you scroll down, you see this little cartoon. This is the only question on this test. There's only one question. And on Wednesday, there's only going to be one question. And what the question tells you to do is right here. Under the cartoon, it says, please print out this practice test, and notice that's a link, using a printer that's next to your computer so you don't have to go off screen. And then follow the instructions. So the instructions are in this practice test. And then it says if you don't have a printer, then you're just going to have to open up the test and just write down the questions. And make sure you write down one question per piece of paper. So I'm going to open it up. I'll show you, I'll just view it. About this says I don't want to navigate away. Okay, so I've just opened it up. This is what it looks like. And it has detailed instructions. Let me make it really big. Well, that's not that big. Let's zoom in. So this is kind of like the cover page that you're sort of used to. It's got an academic integrity pledge. You want to put your name on the front page. And notice down here, it has really pretty detailed instructions. So it says, print the practice test. If you can't print it, write down the questions. The questions are on the next page. When you're finished, and so I want you to sign the academic integrity pledge. It says when you're finished with the practice test, scan both pages, either using the scan feature on your printer or using a scanning app on your phone, and save it as a single PDF. Then your practice test must be 2 pages. And the reason is I wanted to make sure you know how to combine your PDF into one single PDF. So that's why I made this practice test 2 pages. To upload your test to Canvas, you got to put it on your computer. So if it's on your phone, you're going to have to send it to yourself so you can get it on the computer. And then you're going to hit the choose a file button and then submit the quiz. So let's see how to do that. So say I've printed this out, I've written on it, I've scanned it, and now I'm ready to upload it. So, oops, let's minimize this. So see here, right here below where it says, print the test, right here, and let's see if I can enlarge that. Right there, it says choose a file. So if you click on that, and look, it opens up my all my files on my computer, and I can find the scanned test. I'm gonna select, well, I gotta select a PDF. So let me find a PDF of something. Let's find a worksheet. Well, that's not a worksheet. So I'm finding a PDF. There's a PDF. It's a worksheet. Okay. So let's pretend that's my test that I've scanned. And look, it says my file has been successfully uploaded. So then I gotta scroll down some more and it says submit quiz. So all of this is on one page, right? This is all on one screen. So now I'm gonna submit quiz, boom. And well, I'm the teacher, so it didn't really give me a, oh yeah, it says nice job. So, and there's my file that I uploaded. It's a worksheet from last week. And that's it, you guys. It's just one screen, but you got to follow the instructions. You got to open up that test to read the instructions. So this was, I'm glad I did this because you guys that are having trouble need to figure out how to get through all those steps. Because you're going to do that on Wednesday, but you're going to have to do some math in between those steps. Okay. So once again, you're going to print this practice test. Please print out this practice test. You're going to click that link to download that file or open it up on your screen, right? Then you're going to scroll down, and I actually can't see it now because I've already submitted, but there's a upload a file button and then a submit quiz button. They're all right there on the same screen, okay? So try it again. Oh, wait, let me see if I can show you again. Preview quiz. Just show you guys one more time. Look at this. Look at this. There's your quiz. There's your practice test. You're going to open that up. You're going to print it out or write down the questions. Look, choose a file. Boom. Then submit quiz. Boom. I don't know what else to tell you. It's all right there. So if you're not using the Chrome browser, then maybe that's the problem. So once again, you've been told that to take this quiz and to take the test on Wednesday, you got to have the Chrome browser, and you got to install the Proctorio extension. And I want to show you one more thing. Let me see if I can zoom in. Oops. No, I can't zoom in on my browser. So up here in the upper, look at the upper right-hand corner of my browser. I'm moving my cursor. I'm showing you. Look at that. That little shield is the Proctorio extension. So when you are taking the test, if you're having any difficulty, technology difficulty, I'm not going to be there. And I told you this today. You're going to click on that shield, and it's going to ask you if you want to chat, or it'll offer you the help and support center. So that's where you're going to get technical help, but you shouldn't need it if you just follow my instructions and if you practice tonight. Okay? All right. I'm going to go to bed. It's time for you guys to get that quiz in to get your extra credit. Good luck. And do it as many times as you need to. I gave you unlimited attempts on this thing, okay? So do it over and over until you get it down. All right. Good night.